Creating tasks in Bitrix24 allows you to organize work, assign responsibilities, and track progress efficiently. Here's how to create tasks in Bitrix24. Navigate to Tasks. Log into your Bitrix24 account and go to the Tasks section. You can find this in the left-hand menu or dashboard. Click on Add Task. Look for the Add Task button or similar option to start creating a new task. Enter task details. Fill out the task details. Task name. Provide a clear and descriptive title. Description. Add detailed instructions, objectives, or any additional information. Deadline. Set a due date for the task. Responsible persons. Assign the task to one or multiple team members. Checklists. Optionally, create checklists within the task to break down complex tasks into smaller steps. Set task parameters. Customize task parameters such as priority level, task status, and tags for easy filtering and organization. Add followers. Include colleagues or stakeholders who should be kept informed about the task's progress. Attach files and links. Upload relevant files or links to external resources needed to complete the task. Save and assign. Click Save to create the task. If you haven't assigned it yet, you can assign it later from the Task Details view. Monitor and update. Track the task's progress, add comments or updates as needed, and mark it as complete once finished.